Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is like a really awkward setup. I'm like leaning half on the table trying to get some like flowers in the back of my shot and also trying not to bang the table too much so my camera doesn't wobble. But today's video is a real quick one because if you follow me on Instagram, you saw I tried to make these nut butter cups, a bit like Reese's peanut butter cups, but I wanted to do a bit more of a healthy version because I was in Whole Foods the other day and I saw a brand, I think it was Love Raw, brought out their own healthy version, and it got me thinking, these seem like they'd be really easy to make. So gave myself a challenge and I made them, filmed it for you, and it turned out really good. So yeah, here we are to share the footage and show you guys how I make these guilt-free nut butter cups. So let's just get straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing that I did was I needed to melt down the chocolate. So I used on-bar chocolate, but you could choose whatever chocolate you want to use for this recipe. At first I only used half of the chocolate because we just wanted to make the base of the nut butter cups. And then I got some cupcake like cases and then I popped in like a little teaspoon of chocolate. This was kind of eyeballing, like pushed the chocolate around, pushed it up its sides and just made that first initial base. I got about 5 cups out of half a bar of on-bar chocolate, but you could definitely make these thinner. I think if I did it again, I could actually even make the chocolate even thinner around the bottom, so you might be able to squeeze in maybe 6. I popped them onto a plate and popped them in the freezer so the base could set. Once they set, I got them out of the freezer and then I took my nut butter filling. Now, I had 2 different colors, blue and pink, because my boyfriend wanted peanut butter and then I wanted to do walnut butter. A teaspoon of each nut butter and then put them into the cases they need to go in, and then I just got my finger and pushed the nut butter into the base and just made sure that it was all nice and even. I then also melted down the other half of the chocolate so we had the topping to go on. So then once the nut butter was inside the cases that we made, I then took more chocolate, popped it on top, smoothed it over, made that the top layer, and then popped them back in the fridge and then let them set. These really don't take that long to set. I mean, you could definitely give it like half an hour to an hour and they're completely done. I'll just show you a little bit of footage now of me getting one out the case, cutting it in half. Yeah, ooh, look at that. You can adapt pretty much every part of this recipe from the nut butter to the type of chocolate you make by just showing you it's so easy to make these. And I think definitely if you're very conscious and you don't want to have like refined sugars, then you can definitely choose a chocolate which doesn't use refined sugars. But anyway guys, that is it for this video. Very short and sweet. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you do make these, make sure you tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is @EbonyJaneHensler. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you haven't already, make sure you click the subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos from me, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.